Hey guys, Alice Angel here. I'm singing a song because my most trusted friends betrayed me. You know who they are. I knew they've been in my videos. Mango, you don't count as one. Mango the Funtime Fox. Or Playful Fox, you don't count as one. It's time you learned a lesson. It's time that you understand. Don't ever count on anybody else in this or any other land. I once hoped for friendship to find a place among my kind, but those were the childish wishes of someone who was blind. Open up your eyes, see the world from where I stand. Me among the mighty, who came at my command. Open up your eyes, it's real sweet and fantasy land. It's time to grow up and get wise. Come now, little one, open up your eyes. We all start out the same, with a simple, naive trust. Shielded from the many ways life's not fair or just. But then there comes a moment, and to the truth that you must face. If you depend on others, you'll never find your place. And as you take that first step upon a path that's sorrow, you see it all so clearly. The best way to survive is all alone. Open up your eyes, see the world from where I stand. Be among the mighty, you cage at my command. Open up your eyes and behold the fading light. It's time to grow up and get wise. Come now, little one, open up your eyes. Open up your eyes. So the people who didn't betray me: Lou the Fallen Angel, and Mango the Funtime or Playful Fox.